Hey everyone, Dale here. So this is the side of my garage. There's my Yanmar. So this is the side of my garage, and I got a fence here with the neighbor. And it's always kind of junky. I'm going to clean all this out on this side and some of this too. And I'm going to build a almost like a tabletop all the way across. I think will be much better, and then put a power outlet out here because it is covered by a little bit by the overhang of the roof. So I got my gate here. I'm going to come out 16 inches from the main from the garage, 16 inches, and then make a platform all the way across like a table, and then I'll have storage underneath as well. So this is kind of the before, and I'll show you the after, what I come up with. And I'm also thinking about in here, because there's a space in here, putting shelves and then putting like a door on here, so you can have oil and that sort of thing in there. But not sure if I get to that, but I'll show you an update of this when I get it done. Kind of a before and after. Okay, so this is what I come up with. I just put a 2x4 all the way along 12 feet, well 13 feet, tucked it under. It's about 28 inches, 29, 30 inches from the ground up, and then put a 2x6 all the way across. And then I had some of these fence panels that I've taken a fence apart in the backyard. So I just cut them to 16 inches, and I'm going to secure them down. So, seems to work pretty good. And then I'll just paint it the same color as the rest of the fence here. So yeah, so I think that'll work out pretty good. I'm probably going to put a bench down there too for propane tanks and that. And probably put a light up here somewhere. I got a motion light there that works pretty good. So yeah, that should work pretty good. Clean this up really well. It'll be a good bench to work on outside. The Yanmar, I took one of the cylinders in because it was really leaking bad. So I took the bucket cylinder in, and apparently it's in pretty rough shape. It's all mangled up inside, so a new one is about $1,000. For them to rebuild it is probably $400. So I'm gonna see if they can rebuild it. If not, I'll just probably order a new one. Hard to mess around with these because you got to get the ones with the knuckles that are right. I tried going to Princess Auto, but they got nothing compared to this. So I can get this little guy back up and running. I've changed the oil in it. I got to change the gear oil in the rear end there. But otherwise, yeah, it's a good little runner. Still working on the boat, getting things done, and taking care of some yard work back there. Trimming up this tree. I'm going to take the whole top of the tree part down. The birds sit in there and then they shit all over the van and the truck. So I don't want that anymore. I'm going to take it right, chop it down so that it can regrowth. But yeah, that's about what's going on right now, guys. So, till next time, ciao for now.